This is how to edit your home and work locations in Google Maps. So let's get started. If you haven't already, open Google Maps and then click on your account's icon on the top right. Then here scroll down and come to Settings. Once you're here, select Location and Privacy and then scroll down, and under Other Account Settings, you'll find this option, Home and Work Addresses. So click on this, and from here, we can set or change our home and work address. So I'll show you how to do both. So if I want to set an address, if I don't have one, I'll just click on Set Work. And here we have three options. We can either enter a location on top, or we can use our current location, or choose on the map. So let's say I pick Choose on Map. I'll just have to pick my work location, let's say here, and click on Save. And as you can see, it's changed. But now, to change an address that's already there, click on the three dots, and here click on Edit. And as you can see, we can now change it. So this is how it works, and I'll see you in the next one. Goodbye.